Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Monday and I hope you all had an awesome weekend. Well, today as you can see we are going to be starting this one and I'm calling it Ancient Peonies by Spring. I got it this morning from FGNormal and we're going to be starting right down here in this leaf that kind of goes off the picture. And the color is 524. And I'll hold it like that. It's kind of a pale olive green, if you will. Kind of an olive grayish green. Yeah. I thought, well, we might as well start in this corner and not with what do you call it? Half cross stitch. Yeah. Wasn't in the mood for half cross stitch today. So what is everyone up to? It is the beginning of a new week. Wow. Right? Holy cow. We're just on our way now. We're at the 6th already. It feels like it was the 1st a day ago. I don't know where the whole week went. I am telling you. Let me get you pulled down here so you can actually see what's going on. And I know this is kind of a light color. I wanted to use it like a darker pink or something like that. Well, this symbol right in here, this pinkish symbol, is a pale pink. And the only dark part is like scattered around. So it's like hit or miss. So I thought, well, we'll just start at the beginning, right? Oh my goodness. Yeah, gotta go to work today. Woohoo! I'm telling you. Yesterday, for the most part, I stitched on Watertown Memory. And it's another spring kit. So I got a little progress done on it. And I can't remember if there was anything else or not. I just kind of had it out and I would do a little bit and then go do something else and then come back and forth. So that's kind of how my day went. It sounds kind of restless, but not really. Just my brain wouldn't shut up. You know how that goes? You get to doing something and then all of a sudden it says, well, don't forget about, well, you need to. Yeah. That was yesterday. I'm telling you. What can I say? Had leftovers again. I think it's time to get rid of the kung pao pork. I've had it 2 or 3 days now. I'm done. It was really good. And go on to something else. Whoop. I hope you're being able to see this. Watch some YouTube. Watch some Netflix. I watched Miho. I hope that's how you say her name. It's M-I-H-O. Crafting. I think crafting. Yeah. She always has such beautiful kits. That's where I get some of my inspiration, I'm telling you. Next thing I know, I'm ordering it from AliExpress. And no, I didn't make another order. Yeah. Oh, goodness. I just stitched on what I had. I know, amazing but true. I have no idea when the order from AliExpress will get here. I did look at some stuff at AliExpress and put it in the cart, but yeah, I'm like, no. Just waiting. Not real sure. Some days. I want to get that opera lady out again. I put her over in one of these. I have one side basket of stuff that I've been currently kind of working on that I'd like to revisit for a little bit. So, no idea how this week's gonna go. If anything will come in as far as reviews. I ordered some really pretty stuff. Oh, goodness. And, you know, as far as reviews go, I ordered some really nice stuff there. And the stuff that I've got coming from AliExpress. I didn't go to Temu. I've never ordered anything off of Temu. I have friends that have. Sometimes they are happy with the projects, and sometimes, you know, they come, and some are just kind of inexpensive, so that's kind of holding me off. I don't know what the quality's like, you know, in person. I can only go by what somebody else says. So, and I know it kind of reminds, their store reminds me of Wish, W-I-S-H. I don't know if anybody remembers that. I don't even know if they're still in business. I haven't been there in, gosh, 3, 4, 5 years. They were a big deal when I started doing diamond painting, and I thought I could get some really inexpensive things from there. I think maybe I ordered once or twice from Wish, but not too much. And I don't get other, you know, like gadgets and that kind of thing. So that just doesn't do it for me. So I usually go to between AliExpress. I don't get gadgets or anything like that from AliExpress. I get stuff from Amazon 90% of the time. I did get my big zippered pouches that I ordered from Amazon. Woohoo! Now we can just carry on. But I only got one set this time instead of 2, so I may have to order some more before the end of the month. But no grand plans. And I think there's like 18 of those pouches in an order. Between 14 and 18, I can't remember, because I've ordered from 2 or 3 different companies, so they come packaged different for each place. But I usually get the 18 count, you know, in a bag. But this time I just knew I needed some, so I just made a quick order. But other than that, not doing too much. Before I forget, I'm going to put, I had 2 viewers send me pictures of projects they're either working on or finished, and I'll put them right in here. Yeah, thank you ladies for sharing. I appreciate it. Good job on both. Awesome. Now, if anybody else has any anything they're working on or anything they've finished and they'd like to share, send a picture to my email address, which is in the description box below. And I will get it into the next Stitch with Me as soon as I possibly can. I love it when everybody shares and we get to see different projects. It doesn't have to be cross-stitch. Be whatever craft you're into. So far this thread's been fine. I haven't had thread break on me doing an Egyptian cotton yet. So I'm still waiting for that experience. It hasn't happened on my end. I know a couple of creators here on YouTube have complained that the thread keeps breaking. So I don't know what that's like, or haven't had that experience. Just saying. I think we're going to go back. Work at this end for a little bit. Looks like Christmas, doesn't it? It's green, and then the other symbol is like a white square with a red stripe in it. Didn't plan it that way. Yeah. And I never did get back to that little, call it winter cabin. After I got the information about that. So I'll have to stitch on that some more. It's here somewhere. I don't know if I set it over there or if it's buried. I don't think it's buried. It can't go too far. It's a spring, so it's in one of those plastic, what do you call it? Envelopes, I guess. Those are really nice envelopes. They're really durable. And you could use them for some other project, you know, or you could use it to hold paperwork if you wanted to. But they're very well constructed, very worth getting. I'd say they're heavier duty than the Joy Someday envelopes are. Still not waterproof though, so don't drop them in water, because yeah, that would be like a big, huge disappointment. At least I know I'd be disappointed if I had to finish something and count it. Oh my gosh, no. I would just sit there and cry, because it wouldn't happen. I don't know, for some reason I have no patience with counted cross stitch anymore. I don't know. I went through a phase where I liked it, and I was doing it for the longest time, and then all of a sudden it's like it was just too much. I couldn't. So we are on to stamped cross stitch. So much easier. It's easier on my mind than counted. Not that they don't look beautiful. They are gorgeous. Yep. But no. My brain just can't handle it. Just tell me what the color is, tell me what thread, and then I'll just stitch. I'm good. But I do love looking at them. I love those antique samplers. They're just absolutely gorgeous and stunning, and I don't know, and then you start thinking about the people that made them and designed them, so to speak, you know, and stitched on them, and yeah. There's one thing that has always remained elusive to me, and that is silk embroidery. Now, when I say silk, I'm not sure that they're those people, the people that do that are masters at it, they really use silk. But, you know, I've seen other people use that silk that we've been calling silk, that rayon thread. I mean, it's beautiful thread, but they use it for embroidery. There's a lady I watch in, I believe she's in Vietnam, maybe. And she just does just stunning work. I could sit there and watch her, you know, shade out either a flower or whatever it is she's working on. And it's amazing. So, I've never worked on that. I'll call it gauze. I'm sure there's a name for it. Gauze-like material. I don't know if I'd have a light enough hand. I tend to be not rough, but just I can't make delicate stitches like you'd have to do on that gauze to do the embroidery. It's just stunning. So, you know, stranger stuff could happen. I did try to order a kit that was done on that gauze. I got this. It was supposed to be a fan. I thought it would be at least this big, right? That thing was about that big, and I went, nope. I need a bigger area if I'm going to practice something, you know, and room to move around. And it was all printed on the gauze and everything, but God, no. First off, I didn't have a, what do you call it? A hoop small enough. Yeah. Second, my fingers are too fat for something small like that. And I can't even remember where I got it from. But it was gorgeous. And it would have been beautiful, but yeah, not happening. I need a bigger area. So, just saying. Just saying. Alright, we got that. Let me, yep, hold. I got a needle in my hand. I don't want to lose it. There we go. We're going to take you off for 2 seconds. Alright. So I don't know that you can see where I did that. So that's 2 single strand threads. No, two strands of 2 threads. Wow. So, but yeah. So I'll just keep on going here and see if I can get that leaf done, and maybe put in that pink on over here and find out where those hop, skip, jump threads are that I was telling you about. There wasn't enough to even stitch with one single thread to make the, do you see what I mean? The dark lines on that flower. But yeah, we'll see. Alright guys, thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.